Jordan 1 Retro High OG REBELLIONAIR. Must cop, must cop, must cop. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Man, this shoe here, man. This shoe is fire, man. Looking at these pictures, I can see your boy rocking these, man, with some white shoelaces. These are dope. My first Jordan 1s were the bloodlines, and I sold them, and that was stupid. My last ones were the diamond shorts. Got those last week. So, you know, when it comes to Jordan 1s, I'm new to the party, and moving forward, I'm gonna rock with Jordan 1s, man, because I like how they look on feet. These right here, man, they look dope. All these letters on them look like some numbers and a big ass red X. Y'all let your boy know what that means, because I don't know. Like I say, I'm new to Jordan 1s, and when it comes to Jordans, I rock with 14s. Only the black toe. I rock with Jordan 11s. I rock with 12s. And I rock with 6, 3, 4, and now 1s. Alright? So, oh, and Jordan 10. I got one pair of Jordan 10, the all gray ones with all the colors at the bottom. But moving forward, Jordan 1, man, your boy rocking with them. Trey, what say you? You gonna pass, you cop, what you think? They trash? What's up? Nah, they dope. I mean, I don't gotta have them, but man, these I think if I don't get them, it's one of them shoes I'm gonna regret not trying to get them. So you know how the game goes. It's a lot of shoes that we missed out on, that we didn't try to get, and we was like, damn, we should have got those. So you know, fuck it, man, I'm gonna try to get these. Must cop. Fuck it, must cop. Well, what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna try to get them? Are y'all gonna pass? Y'all let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Alright, we out. Peace. Peace, baby.